Alright, hi everybody. Here's question 66b from chapter 4. We are given a redox reaction in basic media to balance, so we are going to tackle that. We're going to start with silver plus 1 mole cyanide plus O2 gas, giving us the complexed silver dicyanide. Okay, so these in these cases you split up your reactions into the oxidation and reduction components. So we're going to start with the oxidation. So we're gonna go for silver, which is going from silver to silver plus over here. Okay, so to do that, we get silver plus cyanide there we go. That's a little better. We got 2 of those there. So we see immediately we need another cyanide over here. Okay, so now we've got our species balanced. Silver's balanced, cyanide's balanced. We now need to balance the charge, so that we've got 2 minus over here and 1 minus over here. So we need to add an electron. And otherwise we're good. So that's the oxidation part of it. Okay, so now we're going to look at the other side, which is O2 to nothing. This is, I guess these are kind of funny to look at because it looks like this just disappears, but you just have to remember that the water isn't always shown because they cancel each other out at the end and such like that, right? Or in this case when it's unbalanced, right? But basic media means there's going to be some water present, so that's where your oxygen's going anyhow. So we balance that with water. We got 4 hydrogens over there, which means that now we need 4 protons over here. Okay, that's happy. And then we need 4 electrons to balance the charge out of that. So 4 electrons equals 0 over here. 4 hydrogens, 2 oxygens, 2 oxygens. Okay, so now we need to multiply this by such that we can cancel the electrons out of that. So we're going to multiply this entire thing here by 4. So that we're going to have 4 electrons here and we can cancel those out. Alright, so let's add those things together. I'm going to start over here and I'm going to write a little smaller than usual. So with my terrible writing, this one here is this is like my nightmare problem. Okay, 4 silver plus 8 cyanide. Okay, doing good so far. 4 of the dicyanosilver complex. Oops. There we go. That's good enough. Those plus 4 electrons plus 2 H2O. Alright, we did it. Electrons canceled. Okay, next thing we got to do, because if this was an acidic question, then we'd be done, right? And because this is basic, we need to add hydroxides enough that we cancel out all the protons that we have, which means that we need to add 4 hydroxides to each side. All right, so we're gonna add 4 over here as well. Okay, and then once we have these things added and they've converted to water here, then we're going to cancel out as many waters as we can. So see, in this case, this is going to add 4 H2O over here, and this is going to be 2 H2O. So we can cancel out these H2Os and leave 2 H2O over here. All right, so let's rewrite this thing with what we got now then. So we have 2 H2O plus O2 plus 4 silver and 8 cyanide gives 4 dicyanosilver 4 hydroxide ions over here. Okay, let's take stock of this thing. So first check our species. So we got 4 silver, 4 silver. We have 8 cyanides. We have 2 times 4 is 8 cyanides. We have 4 oxygens. 2 plus 2 here is 4 oxygens. We have 4 hydrogens, and we have 4 hydrogens. So the species are good. Let's check the charges. We have an 8 minus charge on this side. We have 4 minus here plus 4 minus because it's 8 minus on that side. So that is your balanced equation in basic media.